In the first, you should remember what's the meaning of digit, numeral, number, and place value. So we will make review, or we will remember together now what's the meaning of digit, what's the meaning of numeral, what's the difference between numeral and number, and what is the place value, and what is the difference between place value and value. Let's start. Digit, word digit, not new word. You took it in previous years in grade 2 and grade 3. Digit meaning a single symbol or a single number used to make a numeral. Okay? If you want to make any numeral, you should use single symbols or single number. Like this. We have 10 single numbers, or we have 10 digits, start with 0 and end with 9. 0 is a digit, 1 is digit, 2 digit, 5 digit, 8 digit, 7 digit. Any number here between these brackets is a digit. For example, if I take number 1, 5, 3, and I want to make a numeral from 3 digits here, you should write 1, 5, 3, 1, 5, 153. This is a numeral, okay? So, number 1 is a digit, number 3 or digit, this number is, or this single number is a digit, this single number is a digit, and this single number is a digit, okay? We will remember together what's the meaning of numeral. Numeral is a symbol or name, okay, that stands for a number or represents a number, okay? Let's see. We said digits is 10 digits, or we have 10 digits, 0 from 0 to 9. Any single number from 0 to 9 is a digit. I want to use all, or I want to use some digits from 10 digits here to make a numeral. Take any digits as you like, okay? Like this. Do you see this example? 153. We use the 3 digits. So, if I ask you now, how many digits are there in this number? You should say, how many? You should count the number of digits in the numeral and tell me this numeral consists of 3 digits. Look at next numeral. Numeral here consists of how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. Look here, we have here 6, but 6 in word form. We said numeral meaning symbol or name, like this. Any number in word form you can say, or you can call numeral, like 6, 7, 73 in word form is a numeral. Last example here, 7. 7 is a digit. 7 is a numeral because is a symbol. 7 is a number, as we learn now. Third point in this lesson is a number. What's the meaning of number? Number is count. If you want to count anything, okay, count or measurement, that is really an idea in our minds. Really an idea in our minds, okay? Look here in this picture from your book. We have here some digits, 3 digits, 1, 5, and 3. If you write digits like this, or if you like numbers like this, you should say this is a digits. They not number, or they not numeral. What is the number? Number is a count or measurement that is really an idea in our minds. Okay, Look at this picture from your book, from Al-Moasser book. He tell you here, digit make up numerals. Digits make up numerals. If you want to make numeral like this, you should use digits, any digits. Okay, you have 10 digits from 0 to 9. As you like, use any 2 or 3 or 4 the digits and to make numeral like this. Here we use the 3 digits to make this numeral. This numeral is 153. But look here, 100 meaning in your mind 100 cubes or block of 100 and a block of 50, and we have 3 cubes. This is in your mind. This is a number. If you see here the letters, we have 3 letters. If we put letters together to make a word, or you will make a word, this word have a mean in your mind, okay? Or have an idea in your mind. Dog meaning this picture. You can see in your mind any dog, okay? So a word represents an idea in your mind. Last thing in this lesson before solve exercises, you should know and remember what's the meaning of place value and what is the difference between value and place value. I will tell you now. The value of digit, the value of any digit can be changed according to its place. What's the meaning of place? Look here with me. We have this house is a place. This place called ones. The name of this place is ones, okay? And this place consists of three rooms. First room called ones place, 10th place, hundreds place, okay? If we have another house like this, the name of this house is thousands, not ones. First one or first house is ones, consists of 3 rooms. Second house is thousands and consists of 3 rooms too, ones, tens, hundreds. If we have 3 or third house called or named millions, okay? And the third house consists of 3 rooms too, like first and second one. We have here 3 rooms, ones, tenth, hundreds. Look here for this example. We have a numeral or we have a number. This numeral or this number consists of how many digits? You can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 digits here. Okay, I want to put any digit in its place, or I want to put each digit here in this numeral in its place. They want to sleep now. Okay, 1 in the first house or second house? Yes, in the first house, because 1 come in the first place before the comma, okay, before this comma. So I can't put 1 here in the thousands place, and I can't put 1 in the millions place. You should put 1 in its place. Where is its place? Here. So you should put 1 here. Look at next digit. You can put this digit where? In which place? In first house, in the second room. What is the name of the second room? Second room is 10th. So 3 and 10th. 6. Where we can put 6? You can put 6 here in first house, in hundreds room. Okay. Next, we finished the first 3 letters and finished the 3 rooms. Go to next house, because we haven't any room more to put 6 in the first house. You should go to next house. The name of the next house, we said thousands. So you should put 6 in ones or tens or hundreds room you should put 6 in one's room because 6 come in the first. So I will put here 6. 2, digit 2, you put it here in this place in 10th room. Okay? 5 in the third room, in hundreds room. All of them in thousands place. Okay? In thousands house. So if you want to read this number, how we can read it? You should say 500, because 5 in hundreds place, 526 thousands. You should say the name of your house or the name of your place. 526 thousands. Complete 526 thousands. 621. Again 526 thousands, because these three numbers or three digits in thousands place, 631. So now you should understand and meaning the difference between know the difference between value and place value. Place meaning a house or room, okay? And the value meaning what? Meaning 1 in ones equal what? 3 in tens first house equals what? 6 in hundreds room or in the hundreds place meaning what or equals what? We will see now. 1 in the first room in the first house equals 1. So we write here 1. 1 is 1. 3 in tens place meaning 30. 6 in hundreds place meaning 600. Okay, go to next place or next house. We have ones, tens, hundreds, because we said we have 3 rooms in each place, and we will take in this year, in the next lesson, we will take another house here. We will put here 4th house, and it called or it named Pallion or Milliard. Okay, but not now. Look here, in this place we will put the value of 6 equals 6,000. Why? Because 6 here and we have 3 digits. Put instead of digits you should put zeros. Okay, and what is the value of this number here or this digit in the tens place? Equals 20,000. So if I ask you now, what is the place of this digit? You should what? 10,000. Place meaning the where we put 2, digit 2. حطينا digit 2 فين? Where we put digit 2, we put digit 2 in 10,000. This is the place value. And if I ask you another question, what is the value of this digit or digit 2? You should say 20,000. Okay, last one. What is the place value of digit 5? 5 in hundreds of thousands. So the place is 100,000. And what is the value? The value is 500,000. Now we will go to our book exercise number 1. He tell you in the first, write each number in the appropriate column. Okay, we have 3 columns here: digit, number, numeral. Which one of them is digit? Which one of them is numeral or number? Some may go in more than one column, meaning you can put 6 in more than one column. You can put 6 here, 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 in the 3 column or in the 2 column or in 1 column only. Let's start to solve. We have here this numeral or this number, 983. 983 is a digit. We can put it here. Okay, I want you to solve with me now. Can we put 983 in the column of, or in this column digit? No. Why? Because we said digit is a single number or single sample. 983 not single. This is a numeral consists of 3 digits. We will put here only one or single digit. So we will put 900 in number. And can you put 983 in numeral? Yes, it is a numeral. Look at next one, 37. 37 is what? Is a digit? No, not digit, because 37 not single number. And 37 is a number? No, because this we write number in standard form only. And 37 is a numeral. Yes, we will put 37 in the numeral column. Next one, 6. 6 is a digit? Yes, 6 is a digit because 6 is a single number or a single name or single sample. So we can put digit 6 here in this column. Next, 6 is a number. Yes, 6 is a number. And 6 is a number. No. 6 is a number? No, we said number, we don't write any number in word form. We put here in this column a standard form only. Numbers in standard form only. So 6 not number, but 6 is a numeral. Okay, excellent boys and girls. 0. 0 is a digit? Yes, we said 0. We said digits is a single number from 0 to 9. So we can put 0 here. 0 is a number? Yes, because 0 not in word form. So we can put it here in this column. 0 is a numeral? Yes, 0 is a numeral. Next to number 9. 9 is a digit because it's a single. We said 0, 9, 7, 6. Any single number we can put it here. Next digit, we can put 9 in number? Yes, we can put 9 in number. We can put 9 in numeral because 9 is in standard form, not in word form. Anything in word form, we can put it here. And here, we can put here a word form and standard form. But if the number is not single, meaning 21, 32, 45, we can't put it here because all numbers I said now, not single. 75. 75 in word form, okay? So we can't put and not single number. So we can't put 75 here in digit column, and we don't put it here in number column because we said we don't put here word form. But 75 is a numeral. Next number 2,300,540 is a digit. No, this number consists of 7 digits, not digit. Is a number? Yes, this is a number. Is a numeral? Yes, this is a numeral. 100. 100 is a digit? No. Is a number? Yeah, no, because we said any number in word form, we don't put here in the number. Is a numeral? Yes, because numeral is a name or a sample. Now we finished exercise or first exercise, okay? Go to next one, number 2. He tell you here circle all the numerals below. 7 is a numeral. We said numerals is a sample and the name or name. Yes, this is a numeral. X's. No, nothing. Not digit, not numeral, not number. 345. Yes, is a number. Is a number and numeral. 49 is a numeral, not number, not digit. Okay? 16 dogs, not digit, not numeral, not number. So we don't make a circle here. 0. Yes, 0 is a numeral. 704 is a numeral. 10 pairs, not numeral, not digit, not number. 1,343,342 is a numeral? Yes. Addition. This is a word, not number, not numeral, not digit. 26. 26 is a numeral because this is in word form. 2. 2 is a numeral and digit and number. Here, number 3, vocabulary building. In your own words. In your own words. Use your words as you like. Think. And if you understand well what's the meaning of digit, number, and numeral, you can write any definition. Okay? What is the digit? What is the number? What is the numeral? I write this for you. A digit is a single number like 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on to reach to 9. This is a digit. We can say single symbol. Okay? What is the number? Number is a count or measurement. What is a numeral? Number is a symbol or name that stands for a number. Next question. Sarah said that in the number 458, there are 3 digits. Do you agree or disagree? And explain why. Who can answer now? Agree or disagree? 458 consists of 3 digits or 4 digits? Excellent. Yes, number 458 has 3 digits. Number 5, Basim says the numeral 5002 has 3 digits. Yes or no? Do you agree or disagree? And explain why. Count the number of digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basim, are you sleeping? This number consists of 4 digits. No? Number 5002 has 4 digits, not 3. So we disagree. Look at next question. Number 6. Write a numeral that has 4 digits. We said we have 10 digits from 0 to 9. Use any 4 digits because he tell you here 4. Choose any 4 digits and write it as you like. Okay? We have more answers to in this question. I take 89803. This is my 4 digits. 9803. Number 7. Write a numeral that has 5 different digits. Don't repeat any digit in your numeral. Like this. I have 89623. You can write another number here and here, okay? 889,623. Next question number 8. Use the following digits to make the largest number possible and the smallest number possible. We have 4 digits and he wants you make a numeral, okay? But he wants you write the largest numeral. If you want to write the largest numeral, you should repeat or you should order the digits from the biggest to the smallest. Where is the biggest digit here? 9. After 9, 8. After 8, 5. Smallest digit is 2. So your largest number, it will be 9,852. And what is the smallest number from the same digits? You should order numbers from the smallest to the biggest or to the largest. So we will write 2,589. Next one, B. We have here 5 digits. The largest number, it will be, where is biggest digit? Biggest digit is 7. After 7, 5, 4, 3, 1. Like this. 75,431. smallest number, order numbers from smallest to the greatest. Smallest number here is 1, so we will start with 1. After 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 13,457. See, we have 5 digits and we have 0. If you want to write largest number, no problem. Order numbers from greatest to the smallest, and the smallest number is 0. You can write 0 in the end of the number or numeral like this. Largest number is 97,530. But if you have 0 in your digits and you want to write the smallest number, you shouldn't put 0 in the first all time. Okay, don't put 0 in the first. I know 0 is the smallest digit, but we can't put 0 here. Okay, in the highest place. In the highest place, you should put any number instead of 0. 0 after the highest place. Okay, so we will search about the smallest place or the smallest digit. Smallest digit here is 3. After 3, you can put 0. Okay, 30,579. We have here 6 digits. 0 here, don't forget when you write smallest, okay? But if you write largest number, no problem. You can put it in the end of the number, okay? The largest number, it will be first or biggest, highest place. We put 6 in highest place. 5, so 653,210. If we want to write smallest number, you shouldn't or you don't put 0 in the first. Don't forget this point, okay? Start with 1. Next smallest number after 0 in my digits is 1. So you should put 1 in the first. After that, you can put 0, okay? So the answer it will be 102,356. Here he wants you make complete the following. The largest 5-digit number is largest 5 digits. Largest digit is 9. He tell you I want to write a number or a numeral with highest 5 digits. So we will write 9 5 times like this. 99,999. This is the largest 5 digit number. He tell you next one, the smallest 5 digit. Smallest digit is 0. We can write 0 0 0 0. No, we said don't to start or don't to put 0 in the highest place. So we will put 1 in the highest place and complete. He wanted me write 5 digits, so here we will write 1 in the highest. After that, write 4 zeros. Okay, next one, the largest 5 different digit numbers. Largest meaning start with 9. Different meaning don't repeat any digit. So we will start with 9. After 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 98,765. Last one in this exercise, he tell you the smallest 5. Smallest meaning you should start with 0. But we said don't put in the highest place, don't put 0. And he tell you here different. Different meaning you can use 1, 2, 3, or you should use, or you can't repeat any digit. Okay? Don't repeat any digit if you see different. Different meaning don't repeat any digit. If you write largest or smallest number, you should don't repeat if you see different digits. Okay? So we will write 10. Okay? 2, 3, 4. Smallest number is 0. Smallest digit is 0. But we said we can't put in the highest place 0. Okay? Next one. Number 10. It's so easy, this question, and you talk like this in grade 3. Write the place value and the value of the colored digit. Here, where is the colored digit? Here, okay? He tell you, or he ask you, what is the place value? Place value, you should say in which place. 6 in which place? In ones place? No. In tens place? In hundreds place? In thousands place? Or in what? In 10,000 place. So you should write here 10,000s. And ask you about value. We said value, you should take the number or the colored number, put it here, and write zeros instead of all digits before 6. So the answer or the value equals 60,000. Okay, next one, B. Where is the colored digit? Colored digit is 8. In which place and what is the value? Which place meaning in which place, in which house, in which room, okay? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, okay? So 8 in 10 in room 10 or 10 room in the thousands house. So you should write 10,000s like this. What is the value? Write 8 and all numbers before 8 you should put 0 instead of them. 80,000. See, colored digit is 7. In which place? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. So you should write here 100,000s. And what is the value? The value you should write 7 and 5 zeros, 700,000. Next one, in which place? Yes, like this, in thousands place, 100,000s. You should write 100,000s and write the value 1 and all of digits before 1 is zeros. E, 3. 3 in which place? Ones, tens, 100. You should write hundreds here. And what is the value? Write 3, and to put 2 you have 2 digits before 3, so you should write 300. Here the colored digit is 4 in 10,000s, so you should write 10,000s. And what is the value? The value like expanded form, okay? Next one, 0. Colored digit is 0. Where is 0? In which place? In thousands. In thousands place. And what is the value? We don't have any value here. 0 is 0. Okay, so you write 0 in the value. And next one, we have the colored digits. The colored digit in thousands place. So you should write here thousands, and the value is 1,000. The colored in thousands. You should write thousands. The value is 9,000. And last one in this exercise, 0 is colored digit. And which place? In 100. You should write hundreds here. And what is the value? Value is 0. Look, here 0 and here 0. Okay? I hope you understand well what is the difference between place value and the value. Place value ask you about the place, in which room, in which house. Value meaning write the number in expanded form. In expanded form meaning write the digit, and all number in the right side equals 0. Here he tell you compare the numbers and circle the largest or the greater. Okay, don't forget. After you make comparing, you should make a circle over the biggest one. How we can make comparing? Between two numerals or between two numbers. First step, you should look at the number of digits in each one, in each numeral. Here we have 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 digits in each numeral. So they are equal in the number of digits, okay? But next step, you should look at the highest place. Highest place here is 2. Highest place here is 2. So they are equal, okay? So I can't make comparing now. You should go to next place, okay? Next place is 3. Next digit in the thousands place is 3. And here is 2. 3 greater than 2. So which number or which numeral is more or greater? Yes, this one is more than 22,999. Next one, I said first step, count the digits, number of digits of each number. We have here 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here we have 6 digits. They are equal in the number of digits, but what is the biggest one of them? Look at the highest place. Highest place we have 1, and in the next number we have 1, 2, so we can't make comparing. You should go to next one, next place. In next place we have 1, and in the next place in the second number we have 0. 1 more than 0, so the biggest number is 111,223. Last one, we have here 4. خلاص, okay, we know we have here 4 digits and 4 digits. Highest digit we have, highest place we have 4. In the highest place we have 4, 2. They are equal to this moment. Not go to next 8, 8, 9, 9, but here we have 0 in one place, and here we have 1. Which one is more? Yes, excellent. This number is more, 4,891, more than 4,890. Here he tell you compare the numbers below and the circles the smaller. Here we tell you make a circle over the greatest number or the greater, but here he tell you make comparing and make a circle over the smaller. As we said in the first one, count the number of digits. If they are equal, look at the highest place. The highest place here we have 5, 5, 4, 4. Next place 8, 8, 1, 1, 7, 7. They are equal on all digits. Now look at one's place. We have here 6 and we have here 3. So the digit, the first numeral is bigger than second, but he tell you make a circle over the smaller one or the smallest one. Next one, we have here 100,000 and here we 999,000. We see this is a smaller number or numeral. Here 175,000, 175, they are the same. 36, we have 29 or 290, 362. 362 bigger. So we make a circle over the smaller one. We finished first lesson. I hope you understand well and feel fun with math, and see you in the next lesson, inshallah. Goodbye, my dear students. We will learn how we can read and write big numbers. How to read a large number or a big number. You have here 6 digits. This numeral or this number consists of 6 digits. And do you see this comma? Do you know why we put here this comma after 3 digits? Because the first part is a first period, because first 3 digits is a first period, second 3 digits is a second period, and so on if we have more digits here. So what is a period? A period, or each group of 3 digits, is called a period. If you count 3 digits, you should put comma because this is a period. After that, count 3 digits, put a comma. Count 3 digits, put a comma, and so on if you have large number or big number. So if you want to read well or if you want to write any number, well, you should know place value and the period names. Period names help you read and write any number. For example, here we have large number. How to read a large number here? You should cut or divide we have steps. First step, you should or divide the number from right to left. From right to left. Start from here. Cut and cut. Now we divided the number from right to left into periods. Can you tell me how many periods now? 1, 2, 3. Second step. Use the place value chart to help you read the large number as we will see in the next slide. Okay? Third step, start from left. When you read or when you start to read, start from left. First period named ones. Second period names thousands. Third period names millions. Now we are ready to read the number. Start from left side and say 483 what? 483,256,390. Now we can read the big or large number. Look here, we have another example. 1 million is a large number. 1 million is a large number. We have here how many periods? Can you tell me? We have 3 periods too. Start from left side to read, but you can use the chart like this to can read. 100 to 100 because 1 in hundreds place from the in the third period or millions. So you can say 102 millions. 334 thousands. 404 1 milliard. 1 milliard more than 1 million. Okay, is really a large number. I have here how many periods? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 periods. The name of first one, ones, thousands, millions, milliards, milliards or billions. Okay, and each period consists of 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, and so on. How I can write the 1 milliard? 1 milliard, you can write 1 in milliards place and 3 zeros or triple zeros. Triple zeros here and here and here. Okay, and because you have 3 periods before 1. 1, 2, 3. In 3 periods, you should zeros. And you can write the 1 milliard with word form like this. 1 milliard. Look here, I have another example or another number. How you can read it? We said you should, first step, you should start from right side and cut or divide your numeral into periods. Don't forget, I will repeat it again to can understand well. Divide the number from right to left. Okay, I will divide my number from right to left. I have now 4 periods. Next step, use the chart. Third step, you can start from left side to read. So we will start from here. 6 in which period? 6 in milliard. So you should say 60 milliard. 208, 208 what? 208 million, 196,318. Now we can read our big number. Again, 6 billion or 6 milliard, 208,196,318. And we can write this number with word form like this: 60 million, 208,196,318. Okay, and don't forget my boys and girls, don't forget you can write any number with 3 forms. We have 3 forms to can write numbers or numerals. Okay, standard form like this. This is a standard form. We know it. We know that from grade 3. We have a standard form, word form like this, 384,402. Expanded form, write the value of each digit. 3 in which place? 3 in 100,000. So you should write 300,000. 8 in 10,000. So you should write 80,000. Or you can put 3 and all digits before 3 is 0. Write zeros instead of digits. 4 in which place? 4 in thousands, first 4. 4 in thousands place, so you should write 4,000. Next 4 in hundreds, 400. And here we don't have anything. Don't write 0. Don't make place and plus and 0 plus 2. Okay? Right, you haven't any number here. Don't write the place. Write the last one only. 2 in one's place, so we will write 2. Number 10. Write 9-digit number that has in 3 in the 10 millions place, 5 in the 100,000 place, and 2 in the ones place. And is this only or the only number you could have written, and explain your answer. Here we have place value chart, ones, thousands, millions, billions or millions, and we will write numbers down as he said here. He said 3 in the 10 millions place. This is 10 millions place, we will write 3. And 5 in the 100,000s. Where is 100,000s? Here. You should write 5. And 2 in one's place. After that, as you like, you can write any digits. Here I write 870619. You can write different digits here. 11. Use the digits 5, 7, 3, 1, 8, 2, 9, and 6 to make the greatest number. Then use the same digits to make the smallest number. The greatest number, to can write it, you should start with the biggest or order your digits from greater to the least, or from the greatest to the least number or digit, like this: 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. We start with biggest digit and end with least digit. And here we will make, or we will write smallest digit, smallest number, start from least to reach to greatest. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here he asks you, how did the value of 7 change from the greatest number and the smallest number? In the greatest number, here we have 7 in 100,000 thousands place, and here we have 7 in hundreds place. They are equal. The value of the two of the digit 7 equal? No, not equal. So why did it change? And use words and numbers to explain your thinking. Look here, we can say the value of 7 in the greatest number is 700,000, and the value of the 7 in the smallest number is 700. So you can say the value of digit 7, it changes according to its place. If 7 in thousands place equals 7,000, if 7 in 100 equals 700. 12. How are 12,940 and 120,940 similar? How they are the same and how they are different, or how are they different? If you see here, we have 1, 2, 9, 4, 0. And here we have the same digits, 1, 2, 0, 9, 4, 0. They are similar because they have the same digits. But here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. So if you want to answer this question, you can say the two numerals are similar because they made up from the digits 1, 2, 9, 4, 0. The two numerals are different because the first number or first numeral has 5 digits, but the second one has 6 digits. 13. If the digit 8 always worth 8, all time 8 equal 8, worth meaning equal. And why or why not? Use what you understand or you know about place value to support your answer. If you put 8 in ones place, the value equals 8. If you put 8 in hundreds place, the value equals 800. If you put 8 in thousands place, 1000, the answer it will be 8000. That meaning your answer should know or disagree because the value of digit 80 changes according to its place. 14. Samah says in the number 5,555,555 all digits have the same value. Do you agree or disagree? Samah said they are equal, but you should say your answer or your opinion. We have here a chart, a place value chart, and we will put 5 in all places. 5 in tens, 5 in hundreds, in thousands, 10,000s, and so on. Write the value of each digit. 5 in ones place equals 5, in tens equals 50, in hundreds equals 500, 100, and in thousands equals 5,000, 10,000s equals 50,000, 100,000 equals 500,000, and in millions equals 5 million. So they not the same as Samah said. Next one, number 15, how many? Here he asks you how many tens are there in 100. Look here down, 100 meaning one block like this. This block consists of 10 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have here 10 bars. Each bar equals or consists of 10 cubes. So 10 times 10. Okay? So 10 times 10. That meaning 100 have 10 tenths. So the answer here you should write here 10. But I will tell you another way to can solve this exercise quickly without any problem. How many tenths are there in 100? In 100, you should write this number in standard form, 100 like this with 2 zeros, and the 10 with 1 zero. You should cross 1 0 because he tell you how many tens. If he tell you how many hundreds, you should cross 2 zeros. So here we will cross 1 0 only and write the remainder. Now, how many tens are there in 100? In 100 there are 10 tens. Next one, how many tens are there in 1000? Write 1000 in standard form in the first 3 zeros and the tenth meaning 1 0, that meaning cross 1 only. The remainder is 100. How many hundreds are there in 1 million? 1 million, if you write 1 million in standard form, you have 6 zeros. 100s or hundreds, he asks you about hundreds. So you should cross 2 zeros like this. The remainder, it will be 10,000. That meaning there are 10,000 hundreds in 1 million. Next one, how many thousands are there in 1 million? Thousands meaning 3 zeros. 1 million meaning 6 zeros. If you write it in standard form, cross 3 zeros, now you have 1,000 only. That meaning there are in 1 million 1,000 thousands. How many hundreds are there in 1 milliard? Hundreds, 2 zeros. 1 milliard meaning 9 zeros. Cross 2 zeros and write the remainder. Here you have 10 million. Last one, how many tens are there in 1 million? Tens meaning 1 0. 1 million meaning 6 zeros. Cross 1 0 only. You have here 100,000. 16. Complete as the example. 4 tenths and 3 ones. Tenth meaning 1 0. Ones meaning nothing, no zeros. So this number, if you want to write this number in standard form, you write it like this: 43 times 10. 43 times 10 equals what? Put 0 out in the first. Next, multiply 1 times 43. 1 times 43 equals 43. The answer 430. B. 500, 500s and 7 tenths. Hundreds, 2 zeros, tenths, 1 0. 570. Make addition between them. Start with ones. Ones with ones, 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 0 equals 7. And 5, 570. Times 100, write 100 here. And now make or take all zeros out. 1, 2, 3. Put 3 zeros out. And don't forget put comma after all or each 3 digits. 1 times 57 equals 57. Your answer 57,000. Next one, 200s. Hundreds, 2 zeros. 200s and 3 tenths, meaning 1 0. So I have 230. Make addition between them. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 3 plus 0, 3. And 2 plus nothing equals 2. 230 times what? Times 10. Now, how many zeros do you have now? 1, 2. Put the zeros out. After that, multiply 1 times 23. The answer is 2,300. D. 3,000s, meaning it's 3 zeros here, and 200s, meaning 2 zeros. 3,000 plus 200. Make addition between them. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 0 equals 2. And 3 with nothing equals 3. 3,200. Multiply or times 100. Write 100 here. Now I have how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. Put them out. We have here 3 and we will write one more. 1 times 32 equals 32. The answer it will be 320,000. E. 7,000. 7,000s meaning here 3 zeros. Hundreds, 2 zeros. So I have 7,800. Make addition. I have now 7,800 multiply 100 equals what? Count zeros in the first and put them out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put 4 zeros out. And don't forget comma. 1 times 78 equals 78. I think this way is so easy. Next one. 410 meaning 1 0. But here 10,000s meaning 3 zeros and 1 0 is 40,000, like this, 40,000. And 3 tenths meaning 30. Make addition, 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 0 equals 3. And write the remainder. 40,030. Multiplied by 100. Here I have how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 zeros out. And 1 times 4, 0, 0, 3. Right, 4,003. Next one, 500,000s. 100, 2 zeros, thousands, 3 zeros. That meaning 500,000s, like this. And here 700s, 700s here. You can make addition, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 7 plus 0 equals 7, and write 500 here. 500,007, 700 times 10. How many zeros you will put out? 3. Put 3 zeros out. 1 times 5,007 equals 5,007. Last one, 3 10,000s meaning 30,000. And 4,000s meaning 4,000, like this. Make addition. We have here 3 zeros and here 3 zeros. 4 plus 0 equals 4, 34,000. Times what? Times 100. Write 100. How many zeros all to put it down out? We have 5 zeros. And 1 times 34 equals 34. 2. Number 17. New pharaoh ant colonies form through a process called budding. This is an ant colony. Ant colony meaning a big number of ants live together in any place like this. He tell you queens, this queen and the number of worker inside this colony. Queens in existing meaning inside colonies, and the several worker leaves, and many several meaning many number of workers leave meaning go to another place. Their nest, the queen and the number of workers, they will leave this place and go to another place to start new colonies elsewhere in meaning another place. So a colony that starts with 200 ants can quickly grow. If you have or if you see a colony with 200 ants, this ants will grow quickly to be 20,000. He asks you how many times greater to a size of 200,000 ants. 20,000 ants more than 200 ants. Number 200, we have 2 zeros. In number 20,000, we have 4 zeros. He asks you about times. Times greater meaning 10 or 100 or 1,000 or what. Look at number of zeros here. You have 2. You should cross 2. If we cross 2 zeros, we have 200. They are equal now. So the 20,000 more than 200 with 100 or 100 times. The answer 100 times greater. Pharaoh ant colony can vary in size from few dozen meaning a small number to several hundred thousand individuals. You maybe have several or big number. Several you maybe have. Imagine a pharaoh ant colony consisting of 333,333 ants. He asks you here in which place. Focus well. In which place? He asks you about the name of the place. Your answer it will be name or words, not number, because he don't ask you about value. If 3 has, in which place is 3 has a value 10 times greater. 10 times greater. 10 meaning greater, meaning you should go to left side. 10 meaning 1 0. That meaning you will move one place only to left side. Then, or the 3 and the 10,000th place. Again, I will read the question and I will explain the answer. In which place is the 3 has a value 10 times greater than the 3 and the 10,000th place? Start from this part. Start from this place, 10,000th place. Look here, if I have number like this, as he said here, we have 333,333. Where is 10,000th place? We have here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s here. Move, because he said 10 times greater, you should move one place only to the left side. You stand in which place? This place, what is the name of this place? The name of this place, 100,000. So your answer it will be 100,000th place. B. In which place if the 3 has a value 100 times? Focus well. Place value, ask you about the name of place. 100 times greater, meaning you should greater go to left side. How many places or how many digit? Two places. Then the 3 and 1's place. Where is 3 and 1's place? This 3 and 1's place. You should go how many places? You have here 2 zeros. That meaning you should go 2 places You stand here and you will go 1, 2. Stop here. 1, 2, 3. 3 in ones place, 2 hundreds place. The name of this value is what? Hundreds place. Number 19. How many times greater? How many times greater is the value of number in the 1000th place? Number, any number, as you like. You can write any number. 1000th place than the same number in the 10th place. The same number in the 10th place. If I have places like this, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and so on. He tell you here how many times greater 10th place, small place, and 10th place. If I stand here in 10th place, and if you move to reach to 1000, where is 1000th place? Here. You moved how many places? You moved how many places? 1, 2. That meaning your answer it will be what? If you have here 3, for example, and you have here 3, you moved from 30 to 3000. That meaning you moved how many? 2 zeros or 2 places. Your answer it will be 100 times. Number 20. Fill in the blanks. A. What is 10? He wants to write number here. What is 10 times greater than 100,000? If you write 100,000 in standard form, you see 5 zeros. And greater than or greater 10 times greater, meaning you should add 1 zero here. It will be 1 million. Next one is 10 times greater than 200. Write 200 in standard form. 200, 2 zeros. If you add 1, the number or the numeral here, it will be 2000. C. What is 10 times greater than 7,000? 7,000 in standard form, you have 3 zeros. And here we add or we put 1 more. The answer, it will be 70,000. 56,000. Thousands, we said 3 zeros. Multiply or times 100. If you multiply or times, you should adding zeros together and to put 5 zeros out. We have here 3 and 2 gives you 5 zeros, and 1 times 56 equals 56. In the number 4043, then 4 in the 10th place. Where is 10th place? Here. He asked about this 4, and we have another 4 in 1000th place. 4 in the 10th place is what times less than 10 or 100 or 1000? 4 in the 1000th place. Look here, to move to 1000, you should go 2 places, so you should write 100, 2 zeros. 21. Amjad said that there are 300 hundreds in a 3000. Do you agree or disagree? And use what you have learned about place value to explain your thinking. 300 hundreds meaning 4 zeros or 30,000. 30,000 bigger than 3,000. We can't find the 30,000 inside 3,000. This not right, so disagree because there are 30 hundreds in 3,000. Ashraf said that the number 6,235,340 is exactly 1,000 less than the number 6,245,340. Do you agree and explain your answer? If we write the two numbers together like this, do you see here we have the same digits and we have the same numbers, but here we have 4 and here 3. 4 greater than 3. With how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, or with how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. That meaning 10 thousandths less than, not 1,000. So we disagree because second number more than first number with 10 thousandths, not 1,000. If there are 12 million Faroe ants on the Kalahari and South America has 100 times as many Faroe ants at the Kalahari, how many ants are in South America? Show your answer or you are. If you write 12 million in standard form like this, he tell you here 100 times. That meaning you should multiply 12 million by 100. 12 million times 100. How many zeros in all? We have here 2 and here we have 6. Take all zeros and put them out. We have out 8 zeros and multiply 1 times 12. 1,200,000,000 ants. Next one. 24. The number 147,976 have the digit 7 in 2 different places. We have 7 in 2 different places. How many times greater is the value represented by the 7? He asked you about 7 in tens place and the 7 in thousandths place. How many times greater? Look here, you stand here and count the number of places. You move the 2 places. That meaning the 2 zeros. The answer, it will be 100 times. Thank you for listening and see you in the next video. I hope you understand well. Goodbye.